Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today I'm going to talk about boosting your natural immunity. So the flu season is here and everybody is busy getting the flu shot, trying to get scheduled with their pharmacies or with their primary care. But along with getting a flu shot, you should also consider improving your natural immunity. There are very simple things you can do to improve your overall immunity. Boosting your natural immunity will not only help you fight a flu symptom, but will also improve symptoms of seasonal allergies, will help you lower your overall inflammation, improve your skin tone, and improve your overall health. The things you should start doing to improve your immune system is start eating healthy diet, make sure you're drinking enough water and make sure you are hydrated, regularly exercise, improve your quality sleep, lose weight, stop smoking, cut down on alcohol, and improve your overall lifestyle. Along with this, you should also take some vitamins and supplement to strengthen your immune system. So the vitamin that will help you strengthen your immune system are vitamin D3, minerals like zinc and selenium, B complex vitamins, specifically B6, vitamin C, and curcumin. These are the simple vitamins that if you take it on regular basis will boost your natural immune system. Here at MyFitMed, we also do immune boosting IV and immune boosting IM injection. We'll talk about MyFitMed immune booster in the next video. Subscribe for more videos.